Hey Craft CMS community, welcome back to the SiteSpeak channel. Today I am excited to show you how to set up your own site using Craft CMS with the MotoVenture template. I have recently created a site using this template, and now I am going to walk you through the process so you can create yours too. I will show you step by step how to select the MotoVenture template, customize it, and publish your site in a minute. By the end, you will be able to have a stunning site up and running just like mine. Let's start. Open your terminal and create a new project for MotoVenture. Just click enter and it will start creating your project pick. It will take a few minutes. This will begin the setup for your new site. Enter. It will download some package and it will take a few minutes. So I will pause that video till download it. Now finally it's created. Let's run this command to set up the project. I'm using MySQL, so IP address I'm using this port number, so enter database password and database name. So go to MySQL and connect to the database, and here we will create an it is created, but inside table we don't have any tables, so now we will keep that prefix ID like that. Then install craft now, yes, and my username will be admin, and the email I think you can enter, and password will be from password, and my site name will be MotoVenture, and here we need to type site URL. This is my site URL, and language will be same. So it is started creating new project and connecting to the database. So let's craft successfully. So now we have to run that URL. Enter. So finally we have created a new project. So welcome page for my project. So we will make this page like this. So go to and here to see, it will open Visual Studio Code. Now you need to drag that template inside. We will replace this welcome home page to our template like this. Now download that template from GitHub, and once you download that, extract that zip file, that folder to your inside your. We will go to our template and text.html. Now we will copy everything and we will save it. Go to your site. Now we are getting only HTML because the CSS part is wrong. So we will make it correct. That inside template we have a static folder, and inside it we have CSS JavaScript. So let's move this folder into our web directory, which is root of craft. Just drag it here. Now we will put into this template. We will choose copy this and just paste it and with site here. Save it and go to site and just refresh it. Template site. And for today's video, That's it. Thanks for watching.